Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy. I recently posted an original guitar riff here on TikTok, and some people were saying, hey, can you show me how to play that? Give us a tutorial. So that's what this is. I'm going to play the original riff, the original video, and then I'll show you how I played it. Okay, for starters, you need to be in drop D flat tuning. So this has to be your sixth string has to be a C sharp or D flat. All right, everything else goes down a half step. All right, so basically I was just trying to create something that sounded cool, and I love triads. So I start by just sliding my hand down the neck, and then I slide on the fourth string up to this A right here on the fourth string, 7th fret. So basically where I got that is that this is a D triad, second version with the 5th in the bottom. So it's the 5th root and the 3rd. So it's basically part of a D major chord. So I decided to, I use that D triad, and then next I go to an A major triad, part of this A major bar chord, to get this. So I thought this sounded really cool. So I thought, why not just go ahead and take it down a whole set? So what I'm doing here is a C major triad. Technically it's a C flat because we're down a half step, but I'm speaking in terms of where it is on the guitar. So this is C, and then I'm doing a G major. In terms of what key this is in, the closest key is probably D Mixolydian, but I'll be honest, I wasn't thinking about that at all. I was just thinking, what sounds cool? I like this triad, this one, then down. It just sounds cool. And then after that, I get down here to the C, and I play the 5th string, and then I play the 4th and the 3rd string open. And then I just walk it down chromatically. I just walk down C, B, B flat, and then hit the open A chord. Hit the whammy bar a couple times, and then I go up here and just do a D power chord while bouncing off the 6th string. Then down to C, and then I do a C over B, where I stretch it out here. And then I just play just a D chord, just an open D chord, but I make sure I get that 6th string in there to get that low D. That is exactly how I played the riff. If you have any more questions, please let me know.